Welcome back. So far we have been using Mongo Shell. In this lecture I will show you how to use a MongoDB Compass, that is a GUI provided by MongoDB. So let's get started. Let me show you how to download and how to connect to your MongoDB Compass. So first of all, go to your cluster, click on this connect button, and then in the third option you will see this is saying connect using MongoDB Compass. So select here, and then the first thing that you have to do is you have to download the binary for your MongoDB Compass. Okay, so select your operating system here. Mine is 64-bit Windows, so I'm selecting that, and then you have to click on this download Compass button here. So I have already downloaded that. So this is the WinZip file that I got from that download. So you have to extract that WinZip to some folder using any unzip utility like WinZip, WinRAR, etc. So if you go to this unzip folder, you will see a MongoDB Compass application. So double click on this and this will open a GUI for you. Okay. So I'm saying run anyway. So once this GUI is open, you have to paste your connection string here. So to get your connection string, go back to your MongoDB, and in here in the second step you will see the connection string. So just copy paste it here, go to your MongoDB Compass and paste it back. Okay, here you have to change your username and password. In my case, my username is admin, my password is admin123, and the database that I wanted to connect to, let's connect to the movies DB database here, okay, that we have been using so far. So click on this connect button and now you will get connected to your MongoDB databases that is running on your cloud clusters using this GUI. So can you see there on the left hand side menu, I have details about my clusters and all the databases that are inside my cluster. So let's go to this movies DB database. So these are all the collections that are inside this movies DB database. So let me go to one of the collection and start showing you how this GUI can make your life simple. You could see all the documents that belongs to your movies collection. So here you can search your documents here by giving a filter condition. So let's say I wanted to search all the movies whose rating is greater than 4, then I have to say rating colon, and then again you have to use the same syntax that we have been using so far in the MongoDB shell. So you have to say greater than equal to 4, and if you click on this find, you will find all the movies whose rating is either 4 or greater than 4. So I got 3 result out of this filter condition. The next thing is you can edit this document, you can copy this document, you can clone this document, or you can delete this document. So let's click on this edit button. So when I click on this edit button, I have the option to change its value, to change its type. So I can add additional field by clicking on this plus button, or I can also delete this particular field. Okay. Now there are 3 views to represent your document. This is the first view, that is a list view. The second view is your JSON view. So here you will see your document in the JSON format. And the third view is your tabular view. So if you click on this tabular view, you will see all of your documents in the tables format. So you can work with any of the format that looks comfortable to you. Now you can also add more data to it. So you have to click add here. So there are 2 things. Either you can insert the document manually or you can import a file from your local file system. So if I say import file, I can tell, okay, my file will be of JSON type, and then I have to browse my file from my system and then say import. The second way is you can click on this add and you can insert the document manually by using this JSON structure. So let me add a document here. Let's say I wanted to add a movie whose name is Soldier. So let me click on this insert. You can see that movie got inserted into your movies collection using this add data button. Now there are few other things that you can do with your documents like aggregation, schema, plan, indexes, validation, and all of that we will be covering in our next coming lectures. So stay tuned. Let me see you in the next lecture. Bye bye.